So let's get started. Umpires ready, batsmen ready, scorers ready. Let's go. Match number 2, UCCL Season 2, Royal Warriors versus Amigos.
Let's go.
He starts off with a very experienced bowler. He bowled really well in the previous 2 tournaments. Very, very economical bowler. So he starts off his innings with a single. The score moves on to 2 runs now. The 2 youngsters, Aman. So Mujawar Hussain, the leading wicket taker with a very good economic. Almost heading. So Samir, a very experienced bowler. Last year he was very, very good. Oh, that was not good effort. So Samir bowling a really, really good over. Last year he used to bowl the second last or the last over. This time opening the innings. So at the end of over number 1, the score is 4 runs. Fantastic first over by Samir. So 4 runs on the scorecard, Aman on strike. Amigos versus Royal Warriors. Oh, well bowled. He was very, very good last year. He bowled some really important overs. He has the responsibility now. But in front of him is Aman, a beautiful bowling. And he can turn the ball. That's the best thing about it. Very few bowlers have the ability to turn it both ways. He's bowled slow and he cuts the ball in both directions. The score moves on to 5 runs now. They have kept them quiet, but these 2 guys can fire. They have to pick up speed now. The bowling is slow and keeping them quiet. Asif big, almost like a Shane Warne. They need to pick those boundaries now. It is high time now. They need to start up. Oh, beautiful ball. Asif, look at him go. The UCL Cup, not the Champions League, but when it was played with the B wings, A wings and all. The striker Salman है, जो सबसे important player उनके टीम के. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Burst through them. इसीलिए सलमान है, एक बांद्रा का सलमान और एक अंधेरी का सलमान. So Farid versus Kaif, who started off slightly slowly. Kaif and Aman, the opening batsman. Kaif needs to pick up now. He is a pretty good batsman. Oh, good shot on the back foot. Asif can do this. He's a pretty good player. Good fielder, good batsman. It's going to be a free hit. So Farid bowling, making a good comeback. Oh, that's a new ball on a 6-7 runs. So Kaif getting his first sixer. Good shot that one. He will continue. Just a single. On strike is Steph. Oh, good fielding over there. Oh, good wicket. That's a good wicket. Oh, look at Xavi boy. Jagat Savan. Need to conserve energy, but बहुत practice खेलना. Oh, good shot onto the back foot. Rizwan generally is a very safe player. So Kaf coming on strike. Kaf is batting really well. Oh, beautifully bowled. Good comeback by Farid. After bowling a series of extras, he has made a good comeback. Oh, that was hit very high. So Kaf. Kaf. 25 runs. First over 5 runs, second over 20 runs. So still in control, both the teams would be happy with the proceedings. Amigos would be slightly happy because they have got Salman. Whatever happens in the next 2 overs will decide the match. They would like to keep them below 40. Rizwan और आसिफ, रिजवान आसिफ समीर इस टीम की स्ट्रेंथ है ये, और इसीलिए रिजवान बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस बॉलर है. रिजवान आसिफ समीर तीन बेहतरीन बॉलर्स इस टीम में. It's a no ball. No ball. The score moves on to 26. Free hit. Free hit continued. The score moves on to 27 now. A beautifully bowled, equally well fielded. AK playing some soccer in part-time even. Cricket along with soccer. Straight to him, it was a finger breaker. Good catch that was. Oh, they are very, very excited. Amigos are going to have some heavy lunch because the amount of energy they are spending on field, fantastic. क्या जोश है, क्या जज्बा है. Oh, very, very bad job. जोश के साथ होश भी जरूरी है. It can happen in tennis cricket. So 33 runs हो चुके हैं लास्ट 6 गेंदे. कैफ काफी बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी की इस यंगस्टर ने, काफी अच्छा टेक्निक और गुड एफर्ट. शादी वाइड नहीं रोक सकते लेकिन स्कोर मोव्स ऑन टू 34. एजाज खान to bowl the last over. A good keeping Xavi लेकिन wide ऐड होता रहेगा. 35 left hander against a left hander on the back foot. What a shot that was! What a shot! Kev was showing some promise last year. He wasn't able to perform that well. But this year, this guy is playing really well. Youngster, just 16, 17 years old might be, not more than that. Right again. Kev was short in temperament last year. He wasn't able to keep his head cool. This year, what an improvement in this guy. Kev इस साल काफी अच्छा temperament दिखा रहा है. Technique के साथ temperament. And what a shot! What a shot! The youngster has got some good head on his shoulder. He wasn't able to keep his calm this year, and he's making other people crazy this year. Last year तक ये बंदा आराम से खेल नहीं पा रहा था. अब सामने वाली टीम का अच्छा ये हैरान कर रहा है. This has been a good score now. 49 is going to be a very, very difficult score to chase down, considering runs on the board. After the brilliant start by the Amigos, Kev has been sensational. Gets out finally. So 50 runs to win. Taken by so match number 1, man of the match, the one who bowled really well was a good skipper. Royal Warriors, Imran Andheriwala and Salman Shah. Imran Andheriwala, of course, one of the star players, बहुत experienced player है, लेकिन injured है. Mumbai Dreams, Hussain Mujawar, Shoaib Mujawar, Amigos, Shaban and Rizwan Sheikh. Amigos, Mavericks, Sajid Furniture Wala, Reliable Foam and Wasim Sheikh, Saudi account. Master Blasters, Hayat Construction, Mr. Ishaq Qureshi, IQ और Ashfaq Qureshi. Della Supernovas, Jamil Chauhan and Irfan Qureshi. Della and Hayat Constructions. Cubicle Rangers, Javed Sheikh and Ayaz Khan, Almeza Tours and Travels. And Sports Spartans, इसके बाद वाली मैच में आएंगे आसिफ पाशा and जमाल पाशा. Philly, Jamil Pasha, Philly Fusion Works. So Salman responsibility लेते हुए 29 balls, 50 runs. 28 balls, 50 runs. Farid Irani on stop. So they open their account with a single. 27 balls, 49 runs. 26 balls, 49 runs. The best thing about this tournament this year, very few extras. First match, they were very disciplined. $49 runs to win. That was a good fielding. Just a single. Kev, who was brilliant with the bat, made this mistake. Shouldn't be dropping those. Sucks up with the wide. Eight runs on the score. He was really. Aman wasn't effective with the bat, but he takes a brilliant catches. So Aman making up. He was very good with the bat last year, but what a catch. Aman took a brilliant catch. The Seoul Spartans versus Supernovas. Match number 3 coming up. Both the teams, the captains are requested to come in here for the toss. Asif Pasha and Irfan Qureshi, please come in for the toss. So Kev just bowling less Sunil Narayan, hiding the ball. And he has got a very important player. He has got 7 out. Their strategy is going to target some weak bowlers. तो ये दो important bowlers को खेलने के बाद वो राह देख रहे हैं कोई weak bowler होने लगे. 50 runs का target है. Second over. Kev versus Sameer. सुपरनोवा के सपोर्टर्स को बुलाया जा रहा है टॉस के लिए. ओ So at the end of over number 2, the score is 12 runs, 18 balls and 38 runs to win. 18 balls, 38 runs to win. Run rate is 12.66 runs per over required. Supernovas versus Soul's partner. 18 balls, 38 runs to win. Abu Saeed, he is also one of very good bowlers. Farid is a man. They need to have 6 sixers to be very precise. Sixteen balls, 37 runs. Just a single, 15 balls, 36 runs. Farid. Sports Spartans have won the toss and elected to field first. Both the teams in the previous matches elected to bat first. Oh, Abu Saeed. 14 balls, 36 runs. Abu Saeed bowling a very, very important over. Right ball, 14 balls. 14 balls, 36 runs to win. 2 6 हर ओवर में आने जरूरी थे. Catch easily taken. Look at him go. Sajid Moria is enjoying. What an over that this has been. 5 balls, just a single conceded. Look at Abu Saeed. Oh, that was a good shot. That's a boundary. So 12 balls, 32 runs to win. The Royal Warriors. Amigos. ये मौका था. 12 balls, 31 runs, 3 hit होगा. 2 balls, 6 up. तो ये 7 runs ऐड होंगे टोटल में. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. 24 runs needed now. 24. 24 runs चाहिए. 12 balls, 24 runs. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. तो अगर आपको लाइव अपडेट देख रहे हैं तो क्लिक करो आप. गुड बॉल गुड बॉल गुड लेंथ. ये लेंथ अच्छी थी बॉल की. बैकफुट पर जाकर ऑफ ब्रेक मारना उतना आसान नहीं होता अगर आपका बॉल अच्छे लाइन लेंथ पे डाला है. तो लेंथ अच्छी है. लेंथ क्रूशियल है. शॉर्ट बॉल पे छक्के लग रहे हैं. ओ ये नोबडी टू ब्लेम फॉर. कैच हो सकता था. बॉलिंग काफी अच्छी. कैच हो सकती थी. समीर बैकफुट पे जा रहे हैं और बॉलिंग काफी स्मार्ट हो रही है. अभी थोड़ा सा आगे रख रहे हैं. और ये फील्ड में ग्रेट कमबैक. सारे प्लेयर्स. आसिफ भाई गुड कमबैक. पहले 2 बॉल्स में तो सारे बोल रहे थे शायद आसिफ भाई हमें लेट देंगे, लेकिन आसिफ भाई हैज मेड अ ग्रेट कमबैक, आरिफ भाई हैज मेड अ ग्रेट कमबैक। अपना एक यूनिक होना जरूरी है। सिर्फ स्टाइल नहीं है, सब्सटेंस भी है, काफी बेहतरीन फील्डिंग है, लेकिन बी केयरफुल सर, बी केयरफुल। स्ट्राइक पे एक, ये काफी डिफिकल्ट हो गया मैच उनके लिए, एमिगोस के लिए। सलमान ऑलमोस्ट पास चले गए थे, अंपायर जस्ट गेव हिम अ स्माइल एंड सेड आई लव यू टू। Oh, beautiful goal. 5 balls, 20 runs. बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो चुका है मैच, लेकिन फाइट करना जरूरी है। एमिगोस 5 balls, 20 runs, एक छक्का मैच में वापस। 4 balls, 20 runs. Good bowling. तो ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स से सीधा यूसीसीएल में। तो जस्ट सिंगल फॉर्मेलिटी रह गई, लेकिन एक छक्का रन रेट। Good shot that was Asif. Supernovas versus Seoul Spartans. बेटा अच्छा करने लग गया तो बाप भी आगे आ गया। Well played man. Imran was sensational last year. Imran Andariwala played really well, but